Hey guys, just want to give you a closer look at this portable grill that I got off of Amazon. So this thing is amazing. As you can see, it is really easy to move. And so I love the portability of it. And so you've got these handles. Now these handles do come off if you wanted to. So they pop right off, or you can leave them on. Since I'm about to cook, I'm gonna take them off right here. Now this thing is really cool. It is stainless steel and it is non-stick. They really thought of everything when making this. So it even comes with a little hook to hook your propane line to, which is really cool. So to use it is super simple, just like a typical grill. You hook it up to the propane. You turn it on. I put in a AA battery into this, and that's the igniter switch. I don't know if you could hear it, but it's super easy to use. This thing also comes with, let me pull this off just so you can see. So this is a heat shield that you can bring it up to block the heat, which I thought was really cool. So that way when you're cooking, you're able to block that heat on here, which again, I thought it was a really cool feature. And so I'm gonna light this thing up. So I got the 4 burners going, and that is also a cool feature too, that it has these 4 burners. And so all 4 of those burners are going right there. And then I got the heat shield up, and then you can just drop this thing right into place, which is really cool, simple to use. This thing gets piping hot. It is the non-stick. And again, it's so portable and easy to use. This also will take propane or just LPG gas, and then you can adjust these individually, but this gets an even heat across, and that thing's already piping hot. All right, so I got this thing ripping hot. Let's see what it looks like with some food on it. Oh yeah, you can hear that sizzle. There we go. And the nice thing is, since you've got those 4 burners, you can lower the temperature on things like the bell peppers. Don't want those to burn or cook as quickly. So I'll just drop the flame over here on these 2. But then on the meat, I want to keep it nice and hot. So I'm gonna keep the flame high for these over here. And we got plenty of space on here, so a family of 5, 6, you know, it's gonna be easy to feed our family, which is really nice because of all that space you've got on here. All right, guys, and to clean it, I like it to stay hot and just pour some water right on top and let it boil up. Then you can wipe it with a sponge or with a scrub brush. It kind of cleans itself with that hot water. I'm not finished cleaning it yet, but I did want to show you that this grease pan pops off really easily in the back, and you can dump it and then you can start, you know, adding more water and trying to clean it again. So pop on, pop off, which is really nice. But guys, overall, really excited about this product. This thing is easy to use. It cooks the meat super well, and it's got that non-stick double coating or stainless steel finish. It looks pretty, it works well. Just really happy with this product. Honestly, 10 out of 10 for us. Could not recommend this enough.